In today's fast-paced world, news articles abound and reading through them all can be an overwhelming. So to solve this problem, today we will understand how to generate concise and informative summaries of full-length article using simple T5 transformer. So let's first understand what is this T5. So basically this T5 is an encoder-decoder model designed for text-to-text task. It uses a combination of supervised and self-supervised pre-training and processes corrupted input to generate missing parts. So basically this T5 excels at variety of tasks using task-specific prefaces, and relative scalar embeddings and input padding options contribute to its efficiency and adaptability. Now the simple T5 is a simplified version of this T5 model, which is designed to be more efficient and easier to use. It is a smaller and faster NLP model that maintains the core capabilities of T5, and it is suitable for a wide range of natural language processing tasks. So today we will use the simple T5 for summarizing news. Now next we will understand the Python code for news summarization using this simple T5. So this code block performs several tasks related to natural language processing and fine-tuning a pre-trained model for summarization. Now it starts by installing the required library simple T5 using pip. Then it reads a CSV file, that is newsummary.csv, and selects two columns, headlines and text. Now the data frame is displayed using df.head to check its content. Next, the data frame is renamed and reshaped to match the expected format of two columns, that is source text and target text. Now the code installs this scikit-learn library using pip. Then the train test split function is used to split the data frame into training and testing sets. Next, the simple T5 class from this simple T5 library is imported and used to load a pre-trained model. Then a model is trained on the provided training data using this train function. And then the trained outputs is saved in the local output folder, and then the trained model is loaded in the local model for inferencing. Now this code summarizes a given text using the predict function of the loaded model. So whenever you will run this code, and after this you have to write what text you want to summarize, and then it shall give the results. To summarize this, we can say that this code performs data pre-processing, splits the data into training and testing sets, trains a pre-trained model, saves the model, and uses it to summarize a given text. Thank you.